Okay, students, yet another video presentation for you. I am Shadat, your accounting teacher. Makes accounting easy. A purchase return journal, sales return journal is the last lesson we discuss. And I would like to give you a question under this area and to explain how to answer this. There's a question for you. Let's go for the answer. Okay. First of all, purchase journal. When you come to purchase journal, okay. When you come to purchase journal, date, ledger folio, trade payables, invoice number and amount. When you purchase goods from a person, when you purchase stock from a person on credit, we call him trade payable. We call him trade creditor. Trade payable and trade creditors are same. Likewise, when we sell the goods to people on credit basis, we call them trade receivable, trade debtors. So in the sales journal, same format, but you see trade payable becomes trade receivable. Purchase journal, date, ledger folio, trade payable, invoice number, amount. I told you in the last presentation, the invoice is the source document for credit purchase. Likewise, when you come to sales journal, date, ledger folio, trade receivable, invoice number and amount. Purchase return journal, date, ledger folio, trade payables, debit note number and amount in rupees. This rupees in we can write in thousands. Rupees we can write in thousands. Okay, all the rupees in thousands. Then we can easily handle the sum. Okay. Right. Sales return journal, date, ledger folio, trade receivable, credit note number and amount. Okay, directly we come to the question. The format of the all four journals, it is given here, formats. Now let's come to the question. 4th of April 2020, purchase from Muhammad. Purchase from Muhammad. So it is a credit purchase. How do you know it's a credit purchase? There is a name. Usually in accounts, if they say purchase from Muhammad, purchase from Peter, purchase from Fazli, purchase from Maya, purchase from some name. If a name comes, it means it is a credit purchase. They don't want to tell us directly purchase from Muhammad on credit, purchase from Maya on credit, purchase from Sevwandi on credit. No need to tell like that. They can just say purchase from Muhammad. The name indicates us it's a credit purchase. So purchase from Muhammad can be recorded under purchase journal. 4th, the trade payable Muhammad. Invoice number 712, amount is 100,000. 8th of April, purchase from Khalid. Khalid is a name, so it is a credit purchase. Indirectly, they say it's a credit purchase, so we can record in purchase journal. Khalid, invoice number 713, amount is 150,000. Sales to Peter. So it is a sales to Peter is a credit sales. How do you know? There is a name. Sales to Peter, there is a name. So it's a credit sales. So it comes to sales journal on 10 Peter. Invoice number is given to you 713. Same number is given, no problem. 125. 15th of April, sales to Silva. Sales to Silva. So sales journal, sales to Silva. Sales to Silva, it is 15th of April. Amount is 200,000, 10% discount. So I hope you all remember sales to Silva. At the time of sales, if there is a discount, it's a trade discount. It's a trade discount. So 200,000, 10%, 20,000. If you deduct, only 180 will be recorded in sales journal. That discount 20,000 will not be recorded anywhere in accounts because it is a trade discount. So sales to Silva, sales at the sales time, at the selling point, if there is a discount, we call it trade discount. It will not be recorded in accounts anywhere. Purchase from Mahdi, 20th purchase journal, Mahdi, invoice number 913. There also you have a discount, 100,000, 5% discount. For 100,000, 5% is 5,000. If you deduct, only 95 comes in the purchase journal. At the time of purchase, if there is a discount, we call it it is a trade discount. Trade discount has no entries in accounts. 22nd of April, goods returned to Mahdi. Goods returned to Mahdi. So, why we return to Mahdi? Because 20th we have purchased goods from Mahdi. 22nd we are returned to Mahdi. So, purchase return journal 22nd Mahdi. The debit note number is given to you 102. Amount is 10,000. Amount is 10,000. Goods returned to Khalid. Khalid. Goods returned to Khalid on 24th. So it is also a purchase return on 24th. Khalid. Khalid. In the debit note number is 103. 5,000. Sales to Maya on 25th, sales to Maya, so sales journal, 25th, Maya. Invoice number is given to you 758. The amount, sales to Maya, 200, 5% discount. So if you deduct 190, trade discount has no entries in accounts. Already we know that. No entries in accounts. For the discount, 10,000. Goods returned from Maya. Okay, 28. Goods returned from Maya. Returned from Maya. So you sold to Maya. Now it got returned. So sales return journal on 28. Maya. Return from Maya. So we got the return back. That's what we say, sales return, credit note number 731. Amount is 10,000. Amount is 10,000. Likewise, 30th, goods returned from Peter. So 30th, already we sold goods to Peter on 10th. Now Peter returns the goods. So goods returned from Peter, it is sales return journal. 1010 is the credit note number, 8,000. That's all. So we have recorded all the transaction in the purchase journal, sales journal, purchase return and sales return. Now we can add the totals of each journals. We can add the totals of each journals. When you add the total, 250, 345. Add the total, 370, 470, 495. I hope it's correct. And this is 15 and this is 18. So that's the total of each journal. Now we'll see how to record the okay, now let's see how to prepare the ledgers for this um, ledgers for this uh, purchase journal, sales journal, purchase return, and sales return journal. We come to general ledger. In general ledger, we will see how to record these transactions. I'll take the purchase journal and purchase return journal first. For purchase journal, we have to prepare a purchase account. For general journal, sorry, so for the second purchase return account, sorry, purchase return account, purchase return account, and finally trade payables account, trade payables control account. What is control account? Control account means we are going to record the totals. All the totals will be recorded in control account. So we say payables control account, trade payables control account, purchase account, purchase return account, and trade payables account. Right. Now let's come to the answer. Purchase journal total 345 goes to purchase account debit side. Purchase account debit. Purchase is an expense, so purchase account debit side. Trade payables. It goes to payables control account credit side. Purchase 345. Purchase account debit, trade payables control account credit. Purchase account debit, trade payables control account credit. When you come to purchase return journal, it is opposite side. So purchase is debit side, purchase return is credit side. 15 trade payables, okay. Then when we come to payable control account, it is opposite to the purchase, debit 15, that comes as purchase return, This is how the purchase journal and the purchase return journal are recorded in ledger accounts. Purchase comes from purchase account debit, payable control account credit. Purchase return comes purchase return credit, trade payable credit. Okay, now let's come to sales journal and sales return journal. Sales journal and sales return journal. When you come to sales journal and sales return journal, what are the accounts we need? Sales account, sales return account, and finally trade receivables account. So trade receivable control account, trade receivable control account, sales account, sales return account, trade receivable control account. First we come to sales journal. Sales journal total 495. Sales is an income. Incomes are credit side in account, so sales account credit 495. To whom did you sell the goods? Trade receivables. So it goes to trade receivable account debit side 495, trade receivables account debit 495, sales. Likewise, sales return 18, it comes opposite to sales, but not in the sales account. It opposite to sales, but not in the sales account. It comes to sales return account debit 18, trade receivables, and goes to trade receivable account credit 18, that is sales return. So this is how the purchase journal and the sales journal are recorded in general ledger. When you come to sales Sales account credit, trade receivable account debit. Sales return is debit, but not in the sales account. Careful. Sales return account debit and trade receivable control account credit. I hope you understand. I am Shadab, your accounting teacher, makes accounting easy.